It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some embroidery supplies. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, so I recently got an embroidery machine. I know y'all been watching the videos and stuff like that, but I'm just getting ready to open up a box that I have right here, or a couple of boxes actually right here. One of them is pretty heavy, so I'm gonna have to find a tripod to put this thing on so that I can get y'all some good footage. Alright, so let me go ahead and grab these two boxes right here. Or not really boxes, it's not really two boxes, but these two things right here. Okay, so let me see. Since I got these scissors close by, I'm gonna go ahead and use them. Actually, I don't even need them, so I'm gonna go ahead. Maybe I do need them. Okay, all right, so right here I got some magnetic thread by Magnacore. I think that's what, or Fieldtech Magnacore right here. So basically what it is just thread right here. Like, this is what it's looking like. It don't have, like, this is your traditional bobbin right here, but this one has like a metal outside to it. This one has like a magnetic thing on the inside. It does not have an outside, you know, like the border around it, like that one right there. Okay, so I just ordered these. I think it's like 100 in here. They did have some other ones that I wanted to try that was like, they had some that was like a cardboard center and stuff like that. I probably eventually try those. Okay, so now we're going to get into this next thing right here. If y'all are embroiderers, y'all probably see the logo on this one already and know what's in the box. Okay, let me see. How do you open this box? Because this box is a little bit heavy. Okay, I'm going to have to turn it around this way. And is that the way you do it? Let me see. They got a little complicated to open. Y'all know I be liking to open stuff neatly. But sometimes, hey, sometimes you can't open everything neat. Okay. Go ahead and cut that back part right there. Okay, now I can still do it. Alright. And this box is pretty heavy, y'all. I was not expecting it to be so heavy. Alright, so go ahead and put that right here. As you see right here, these are Hoopmaster products right here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up right here. And we have right here, this is a, well, this is, it says Mighty Hoop instructions. Alright, so we got this right here. Everything is, they got these cool blue rubber bands right here that's holding everything together. And I'm going to go ahead, actually I'm not going to take all this off. Y'all will see me using this soon because I do have an order coming up. I actually had this box sitting here for almost a week. If y'all watch some of the other videos of unboxing, I already had some other Mighty Hoops. I just wanted this hooping station. But if I would have known that this came like that before I bought the other, I don't know. I was just like, you know, buying some things. But right here, it comes with, this is my second one of these, which I'm going to need to. But I could have started out with one. But hey, I don't have to buy another one. It comes with this little kind of T-squared like thing. That's pretty cool. Let me see, you know, bubble wrap right there, packing slip right here, instructions right here, and this little stand thingy right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this rubber band off. And I know by watching some other videos that this holds down your backing right here. Yeah, so, and I like the way that, like, I know on some stuff, like right here, this is kind of like engraved into here, so you're gonna always be able to see this. And even if you can't see it, you probably can feel it through the fabric right here because it's engraved. You can really tell that it's engraved, you know, just looking at the pictures online, but this is actually engraved. I know, like on my T-square, some of those letters can start to wear off, but with this being engraved, you know it's gonna be there and you're gonna always be able to see it. Okay, so I'm gonna move this to the side. We're going to get to another item. All right, so right here, we got, I'm going to go ahead and just pull it on out of here. We got the whole part right here, and all this got to be put together, so I'm probably not going to do a putting it together video. I'll probably just come back and show y'all what it looks like once I get it put together. But this is basically everything right here. Taking all these rubber bands off. Alright, so yeah, these are all the parts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the thing put together, and I'll let y'all check it out at the end of the video. Because I didn't want to make this video too long, but just to kind of let y'all, you know, my bad, just kind of let y'all see everything I got. You know, I did want to do an unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead, put this thing together, and I'm going to let y'all check a couple of shots of it out. Alright, y'all, so I got everything put together. So I have the hooping station right here. It's this right here. I mostly got this thing right here for the shirt pocket logos right here, because I've had like several people, like a lot of people ask me about doing the pocket logos, like businesses and stuff like that. So I will be doing an order using this thing soon, probably over the next couple of days. I'm just waiting for the design to get back, because it was kind of a design that somebody else was doing the shirts for them, and they needed a new person doing them. So I had to get the design, you know, just recreated and digitized. So yeah, this right here, this is what we got going on. This is gonna be like this part right here. I think this is like to center maybe an infant shirt or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I just thought they had this thing for the pocket logos, and I knew that I needed that because that's what most of my people were asking about, was like pocket logos and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. I guess I can kind of show y'all, but these are the things that I have right here. I'll show you how to use it in another video, but I already know it's a lot of videos out showing you how to use this stuff. So I'm not going to really just go through that just to make this video longer, but I will show y'all some of the other hoops that I got. Right here, this is the 8x9 mighty hoop right here. You don't use it with this setup. I do need to get a backing holder for this right here. I got another 5x5. Here's my other 5x5 right here. This is actually something I had stitched out, y'all, that I was just testing out for something that I was going to put on a hat. So this was like, yeah, I was just making sure that it was going to come out right, and that's what it's looking like right there. So this is all my mighty hoop accessories right here, and I'll be using them in a video soon. And if y'all want to show me some support, y'all know all the things to do. And I'm going to go ahead and jump off of this thing, and I will see you in another video. Be blessed.